kitchen, it's a winter wonderland. Got the cinnamon and nutmeg mixing in my hand. Holiday spirit got me baking with precision, whipping up the magic like a chef on a mission. Sugar on the counter like a fresh snowfall. Gingerbread soldier standing proud and tall. Oven preheated, 350 is the code. We about to make treats fit for Santa on the road. It's a Christmas cook-up, gather around the food lab. Got the molecules dancing, the flavors go mad. From the cookies to the cakes, all the compounds coming. Thermodynamics in the kitchen, holiday perfect timing. Eggnog sipping while the batter gets thick. Protein chains linking with a glutinous click. Peppermint swirl diffuse making that drip. Surface tension holding steady while it forms that strip. Pies in the window let convection do the wag. Warm air rises like a seasonal pack. Got the roast in the oven where the mallard's going ham, turning amino plus sugar into pure flavor glam. It's a Christmas cook-up, gather around the food lab. Got the molecules dancing, the flavors go mad. From the cookies to the cakes, all the compounds coming. Thermodynamics in the kitchen, holiday perfect timing. Whisk it, flip it, let the enzymes roll. Every reaction that I spark, got that North Pole soul. Mistletoe hanging, got the aromas enchanting. Chef Klaus Flo, call me Kris Kringle's lab assistant. When the snow starts falling and the nights get cold, fire up the oven, watch the heat transfer unfold. One reaction at a time, we be lifting up cheer. Merry Cookmas to you and a science-flavored year.